Hello viewers. Today we are going to talk about flying cars that will replace the conventional cars. Flying cars have been a popular concept for decades, and recent advancements in technology have brought them closer to becoming a reality. While it's unlikely that flying cars will completely replace conventional cars, they could offer a new mode of transportation that could significantly reduce traffic congestion and travel times. One of the most promising new flying car designs is the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle. These cars can take off and land vertically, which makes them ideal for urban areas where space is limited. They are also quieter and more environmentally friendly than traditional helicopters, making them a more practical option for everyday use. Several companies are currently working on developing VTOL flying cars, including Uber, Airbus, and Volocopter. These cars would be powered by electric motors and could travel at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. They would also have advanced safety features, including sensors and automation systems that would help prevent collisions. Another potential benefit of flying cars is that they could reduce travel times significantly. In congested urban areas, flying cars could travel over traffic, reducing travel times from hours to minutes. This could also help reduce air pollution by reducing the amount of time that cars spend idling in traffic. However, there are several challenges that need to be overcome before flying cars become a widespread reality. One of the biggest challenges is developing the infrastructure to support them. This includes building landing pads and charging stations for electric flying cars. Another challenge is developing regulations to ensure that flying cars are safe and that they don't interfere with other aircraft. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, is currently working on regulations for flying cars, but it will likely take several years before they are finalized. In conclusion, while flying cars may not completely replace conventional cars, they could offer a new mode of transportation that could significantly reduce travel times and traffic congestion in urban areas. With continued advancements in technology and infrastructure, flying cars could become a reality within the next few decades. If today's video is insightful, please comment, share, and follow us at Explore Makes Better YouTube channel.